Hello guys, greetings and welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you the concept of double top scenario. However, as you know, this is Sambuin Forex, one of your best forex trading tutor. So the currency pair I will be using here is the USD 500. Normally I have used currency pairs to explain this trading strategy, but it works for every other currency pair. Okay, before we continue, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that when our upcoming videos comes out, you'll be the first to be notified. Remember, we do upload weekly videos. So I'm going to be using some tools here for you to understand. And the first tool I'm going to be using here, for instance, let me use if I insert okay, let me use this tool here. If I insert this tool here, let me use trend lines. If I use trend lines, I hope you're going to see this. So you're going to see two aspects here. You're going to see two aspects here. I've drawn a line for you to see. You are seeing two aspects. So you are seeing the first top and you're seeing the second top. I can say, yeah, the first top and the second top. Normally, basically, the first top was from this aspect. The first top was from this point, right? As you can see, the first top basically, the first top begins from here, going it goes down and somewhere there and goes somewhere and then, and the second top in particular begins somewhere around here. So this is the second top, this is the first top here. So it forms what we talk of a double top and a double bottom. And if I want to arrange that very well, you are going to see something of this caliber, where you are going to have a top from this point going down. I hope you understand. And you have another top from this point. You have another top from this point here. Let me say you have another top from this point here, from this top here going down. So generally you have a concept of double top and double bottom. So generally when you have a concept of double top and double bottom, what you are going to observe is that since the market was in an uptrend, it means that it's a significant that the market is going to be a reversal. So the market is going to be a reversal. I hope you understand. So the market is going to reversal and it's going to be bearish. Now remember, it was double top. It means that there's a resistance. Since there are resistance, it means that the market is going to be now in the downtrend. Let's appreciate for the upcoming weeks. That was the key. Yeah, that was key for the previous weeks. But let's see what happens in the future. You are going to observe. Since the market is going, in this video I'm only explaining the concept of double top. I will be explaining double bottom in another video, so you can appreciate very well. So in this video I will explain only the concept of double top. So whenever you see double top, is a significant that you have to go bearish, you have to short. You understand? And basically when you have double top, it's significant that you are going to go bullish. But since you don't have double bottom here, we are going to focus more on a double top. So since you have double top, it's an indication that you are going to go short. So let's say in the upcoming videos, in the upcoming weeks, you see in the upcoming week, each time there's a double from here, each time you see that each time there's a double top. This as you can see, let me show you the double top that we observe here. As you can observe, you are going to see from this aspect that each time there's a double top, this is another double top here. I hope how you can predict very well. I hope you can appreciate what I'm saying here. This is one double. This is a double top. Let me just draw the points where you have, so that it won't confuse you. So we have another point there and we have another point here. So it makes two double top. You see now. So the first double top began for, this is the first double top. This is the first one. This is the first double top. I want to, the first one is not appreciated, but that's why it's good to always analyze from the second, from what is happening in the market from the second trend. The first one is always difficult because you may place and do your analysis on the first one and you miss out everything. So it's good to always begin with the second history that happened in the market. So you observe we have a first double top here and we have a second double top here. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting that the market is going to be bearish. From this aspect, the trading strategy was to go short, and we short after the market will see continue to be bearish. So you can observe very well that if I zoom it very well now, if I zoom it, you're going to if I zoom it very well, you see that the market has been, from that analysis, the market has been downtrend. The market has been going on a downtrend. I hope you understand. The market has been on a downtrend. If I zoom it very well, you are going to see that. So basically, that's the concept of double top. Whenever you have double top, it's a significant that you are going to go bearish. You are going to short. The market is going to be you are going to be shorting. So what I expect in this market, yeah, from what you see, I will take this. I will seize this opportunity and explain this and explain what is happening in the downtrend there. There's something happening on the downtrend there. So what is happening on the downtrend there? What you see, it's not a double top that is happening on the downtrend. What's happening on the downtrend there is what we call a shoulder. So I will analyze based on this. Let me zoom in so you see very well. Okay, if I bring it this way, if I try to zoom it better so I can be this way. If I try to zoom in so you can see this way, so the first aspect that I'm going to place some trend lines too, so I observe. So if I place a trend line, so you can observe. For instance, if I use this, you're going to have this trend line, and I'm going to place another trend line, so you're going to see what I'll explain what I'm trying to. I will explain what I'm trying to show to you here. So this is another trend line. So this trend line, it forms a hit. I hope you understand. So now there's going to be another trend line that I will draw. I will insert a tool that will insert here that will show what we talk of a shoulder. So in this case, we are going to be seeing what we talk of a shoulder. So generally from here, from this part to this pattern is a shoulder. I hope you understand. So so what happened on a downtrend there is a shoulder, and that shoulder is what we is a shoulder. And when we have a shoulder on a downtrend, it means the market is going to reverse. So what I am expecting in this market is that the market generally, since the market is on a downtrend there, so generally the market, what I'm expecting, what should happen in the market is that the market, since I've already observed the overall trend, since I already know that the trend is on a downtrend from what I already observed on the other two charts that from what I already observed from these two charts. If I want to draw a trend line here, right, for instance, if I want to draw a trend line here, this is this is the nature of my trend line. So basically, if I want to draw a trend line in this direction, I'm going to teach you on how to do that. So I can assume, and I place a trend line beginning from here. Let me begin from here. Oh, it's not. All right, let me place it back. So if I place a trend line in that direction, let's place a trend line back. So let's take a trend line here. Since we are here, let's place a trend line here. Yeah, this form a good trend line. I hope you understand. So this is a good trend line. This is a perfect trend line. This is a good trend line. So what I am expecting in this market, I hope, let me put it again this way so you see what I'm trying to say here better. So you understand what I'm saying? Yes. So this is actually the market I am expecting to have. So generally, since I'm seeing double top bottom here, it means that the market is going to be on a bearish, on a bullish direction, meaning that from that particular point, what we're going to have, it will be something of linear. So the market is going to be on an uptrend. Let me see, on this direction. It will hit. Yeah, it will come to this point. It will hit that. Yeah, what you are going to see is going to hit that. And what you are going to observe from that is this: when you hit that particular trend line, what you are going to observe will be something of this nature. So after hitting that particular line again, we are going to observe something of this nature. So the trend line continues, and what you are going to have from there is something of this nature. Remember, the trend line always continues, so you are going to have another trend line again, and as far you have that second trend line again, what you are going to be having now, it will be something of this nature. The market is going to go down again. So from that particular point, the market now will move in a downtrend. So from there, you are going to have this. So the market is going to go downtrend, and it's going to go higher than what you observe down. I hope you understand. So that is what you have to know. That's what you have to know. I've taken my time and I've explained this. So the lesson you have learned from this is that whenever you see double top, you should be thinking of a shorting opportunity, and whenever you see a showdown, a downtrend, you should be thinking of going uptrend. I hope you understand. So for if you don't want to miss our upcoming video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that when next video comes out, you'll be the first to be notified, and leave your comment in the comment section, subscribe and share. Stay tuned and continue to be a profitable trader. This is the concept of double top. I will upload a video where I'll be explaining the concept of double bottom, and I'll attach with a double top shoulder. This was a case of a bottom shoulder, right? This was a concept of double top and bottom shoulder, explaining you how you can go short with double top and how you can go long with bottom shoulders. So I will upload another video that will be talking on a concept of double bottom and top shoulders, which is the reverse of this, for you to understand. But you have understood this, you can apply. So stay tuned, subscribe, share, comment, like, and stay tuned for our upcoming video. Stay tuned. Peace out.